Hello guys, this is Ryan. We have been giving very important updates and information from French Foreign Legion. Although we collect all the data from worldwide as well as people who have tried and who have been currently into the Legion and who knows what's going on inside, because in Legion every time there's some new updates and so many people who try to go from various countries, they spend a lot of money, lot of time for it, they leave their job, they leave their life, they leave their family, and once after reaching there they come to know that some updates were not clear and then they get rejected. And also it is very important for you guys to see this channel and subscribe. Today I would like to inform you about some people who have been deserting and the ways they desert. In French Foreign Legion, military, MLE, everyone knows that the ways of deserting are very unique, and all of the guys, all of the candidates who are into the Legion must understand that desertion is not a joke. There are many times in the morning, the way in French Foreign Legion they make you wake up, the wake up call in the morning, it can be so pissing that you will feel like deserting just in the morning. But once you finish your half an hour of difficult time in the morning, you're gonna be finding easier after the breakfast. But yes, just the morning call, it's really destroying in the morning. It can really destroy your motivation. That's the only thing which you have to control in the morning. But still, there are some people who find it so difficult that day by day they plan to get into civil, they plan to desert. Once you are into the regiment and you gave your passport, you sign a contract for 5 years, you are a person for French Foreign Legion for 5 years. You cannot go anywhere without the permission of the authorities. Okay, you are a member of French Foreign Legion and you give your soul and you give your life to the Legion. But still there are many tips and ways I can tell you the people have been deserting. So for desertion, you'll have to only desert once you get the leave of 1 week or 2 weeks is the best. Like if you have the patience is the best way to desert. Okay, if you really want to desert, you can't do the French Foreign Legion thing. You think you made a mistake. So this video is for you. I'm here to give information. I got this information from a lot of books and a lot of old legionnaires who have been speaking to me. Your passport is held with the authorities, and the main important thing is you will have to go without your passport. So for that you must have patience. First of all, you must wait for 1 week or 2 weeks of vacation so that you find it easier to go away. Okay, so that the French authorities don't look for you. It's not like you just are absent on the second day, but in 1 week you have the possibility of deserting easy. In this 1 week you must go to your embassy. Okay, if you are India, if you are Indian, or if you are Arabian, you must go to your embassy and you must tell them that you are an Indian and you lost your passport, or you must say something convincing that they understand your call. This way they're gonna ask to your homeland, they're gonna ask your family about you, they're gonna reveal your passport number, they're gonna know who you are. This way they're gonna give you a ticket to your own country. This way you can desert in just a week. One more thing is you can ask for a passport to your embassy. Okay, you can just say that you are a tourist and you lost your passport, you need your passport immediately and you are ready to pay the money. This way embassy gonna work for you. Now they're gonna give you immediate passport, they're gonna help you with deportation. The other way of deserting, the successful way, is to enter Italy or Spain. Okay, in Italy or Spain, if you could make up a story and cross the border, you can reach to your embassy and again you can make a story that you lost your passport, you were a tourist, and you can wait for a few, maybe couple of weeks or within 1 week. If your embassy is really concerned about you, if you're American or British or any, you're gonna get the passport very fast, very easy. But you are from the third world country, Asian country or somewhere, they're gonna be a little bit of inquiry, question and a lot of things, and then they're gonna provide you with the passport. But it can take a month or 15 days. The other successful way which I was saying about you to enter Italy or Spain, because it is one of the easiest way to desert. There is a story about a guy who went to Switzerland. Okay, he was on the Swiss border when the Swiss authorities were questioning him. He was not having any identification. Somehow Swiss authorities came to know that he is from French Foreign Legion, and then the Swiss authorities called to the French Foreign Legion and handed him over to the authorities. He had to face the trial for his violation. If you are really out of your mind and you are really panic that you want to desert, there's no way. The corporals are troubling you, surgeons are troubling you, and you are out of your mind. The only way to desert is get a night leave. Okay, get a leave for the night, and this way in the night you can run away. The easiest way to run is to Corsica. You can fly to Corsica, but the only way to fly to Corsica is by Calvi. Okay, from Calvi, once you reach to the Calvi, you can fly. Somehow you will have to arrange a flight very fast, in the weekend, and that way you can fly to Corsica. And that's the place where military officials gonna look for you, but you will have to do it as fast as possible. It should not take morning. If in the night you can catch a flight, then it's good for you. This is just a piece of knowledge. I'm not motivating or giving you these advices. This is the knowledge which is very, very important, because there are many people who get out of their mind, and they blame that someone motivated them to enter into the Legion. They really got brainwashed, and then now they want to exit from French Foreign Legion. So I'm here to give you some real piece of advice. Okay, if you're really out of your mind, then these are the only ways you can get out of the Legion. You don't want to give the PMs, that is police militaire, to mount a search for you. If you get a flight at 7 in the morning, there's a very little chance of you being caught. You must arrange for a ferry or a flight, okay, to run away to the other destination from France. The only other places except Calvi, if you want to go, if you want to find ferries and flights, that is Ajaccio and Bastia. It's a ride of 2 to 3 hours by taxi. Okay, so you must have a good amount of cash with you, and you must get a taxi to exit to this direction, Ajaccio and Bastia. You must have a civilian clothes on you. No way you must show your haircut to them. No way you must tell them that you are French, or you speak French, or you are from French Foreign Legion. You must act as a tourist. Okay, if the PMs catch you, they are not if the unofficial PMs, that is from French Foreign Legion, there are many people who are searching. They are kind of police but not a police. They also do not have so much right on you to get your identification on roads. So you can easily tell them that you are a tourist and you must say English or any other language. You must not reveal yourself, your true identification. You must wear civilian clothes. You must not disclose yourself, who you are, with some other name. Somehow in the cheap hotel or cheap guest house, you can hide yourself for a few days. There are many legionnaires who hide themselves in a hotel for like 2 months. The matter is really easier. They get their passport. Somehow they get the passport, their identification, and they get easily deported. So they wait for that and they stay in the hotel for that. I must mention that PMs, that is police militaire, that's the military police, are only corporals, corporal chef, surgeons that rotates from their job for a few months in France. They do not receive a formal training of a police. PMs are not the police and they do not have authority outside the Legion. They are only there to enforce the rules and regulations related to the Legion étrangère. So they are a little bit to take care, but they do not have power on you. As you are a civilian, they do not have power on you to beat you or to force you in any way. Deserted from Djibouti, and he went out of Djibouti. He was running by foot. He was in normal clothes, but because of his haircut, he was not having food. He was being caught in the morning. The way this guy from Djibouti was deserted, the way he deserted, it was societal border thing, On the border, he was caught in the morning, and then what? Facing the trials for their own volition. This is not good. So understand, if you are caught being deserted, you gonna be a real wish in French Foreign Legion. There can be a lot of punishments, as well as you will be out of the benefits. There is no more posting, there's no more promotion for you. You will be just like someone, being punished into the borders, planting tree or cleaning toilets, some kind of work you're gonna get in this. Once you are deserted and you are staying in France, then it is not possible for you to escape French Foreign Legion, because they're gonna arrest you and they're gonna bring back to you to the jail. This way they're gonna bring you back to the jail, okay? If you are out of the country, if you are somewhere like staying in South Africa, America, then the French Foreign Legion has no rights on you. You are completely at the end of it. But then you will be blacklisted in France. You cannot enter France again. If you enter France, the authorities can arrest you. It is possible. In other military, desertion has a big punishment, that is execution. If you are deserting in a war, there's 100% chances of being executed. I question someone senior in French Foreign Legion, if a guy is been deserting from a war, from a team who's been a war and the guy is deserting, then will the French Foreign Legion will execute him? I think many guys have said yes. The writer, even Mike Gorman, he has also said that yes, it is possible that you're gonna be executed if you desert in a war. So being deserting from France or some other regiments, it's a small punishment, but deserting from a war can be a big punishment. And the writer says that yes, execution is possible. No one knows your real name. People know your legion name. So if you're dead, your legion name is dead, not you. Understand? You're gonna be missing. If my name is Ryan, I go to French Foreign Legion, my name is Deepak. Deepak is dead. We don't know about Ryan. Maybe Ryan is missing somewhere. So this way, it's very challenging, to go ahead with such a project. But then again, many people have been successfully passing the exams, and they've been into Legion for many years. And we have reports from so many people, so many legionnaires. See my Facebook account as well. There are so many legionnaire surgeons, and we are in contact with most of the time. And I know many cases of desertion. People desert, some regret. Many people desert, they get caught and regret. So first thing, that the A's part, if you go there, you must think about a real joining, You must think that you're gonna be there for 5.5 years. The contract gonna be for 5 years. Still they give you 6 months of time, the probation time, to sign a contract. In 6 months time you feel that okay, it's not my cup of tea, I can't handle it. If you can't handle the basic training, then no way you're gonna handle in the regiment, and no way you're gonna handle in the war. War is so bad that it will shake your soul. So guys, think about the missions, okay? If you're a really emotional person, think about it once. If you are really strong, you really want to go ahead, no one is stopping you, go ahead and join. But if you want to really desert, then desert in such a way that you're not caught. And this is the reason I'm giving you information, because of me also, there are many people passing and going into the Legion, but then many people wants to run away from there. So there are some successful ways to run. Do not follow the path of unsuccess and being caught. Best is to be a little bit smarter and talk to your embassies. Alright guys, so this was the tips by Ryan, and these tips were collected from books and the knowledgeable and experienced person in French Foreign Legion. Do subscribe our channel and get our PDFs to pass the French Foreign Legion. You can still try for 6 months of probation. If you like it, you can continue. Alright guys, thank you. Au revoir, bye bye.